Welcome back. My name is Ivica Cartello. You are watching details of my first React application. In one video before this, I spoke about this problem, but now I give more details slowly. Here is HTML for image HTML element image. Argument source src equal logo in curly brackets. When it is in curly brackets, it means that is concretely name, existing name. It is this is name. And connection and from logo.svg in same folder as this file. app.js is in same folder as logo.svg. It is folder source src, folder src. This folder src would be process. All in that folder would be processed. For us is interesting only app.js, app.css, and index.gss, and in this moment logo.svg would be process, and the result of that process, result of processing of this function, we will have HTML of our page, HTML. Where we can see HTML? Here. In browser, F12, touch F12, and you have developers look at it is this side. Developers look at div id root, div header. Look at element HTML element img src argument equal. This is part of SVG, logo SVG. You look at it is some folder static media logo dot and some number, and we cannot see, we can see that media static folder here. It means that React library in background produce media what we incorporate in source in this folder, incorporate it in media static in static media, and made this logo with this number in folder static media. I want to change this, and when I change this logo.svg with file 1.jmg, one image format, I have next situation. I must open another application where I incorporate my image, my own image. instead of logo.svg. Here is my own photo image, and that image is in src folder. I rename logo in app.js. I have same logo for name of that object, but here it is in same folder. It is image map 1.jpg. 1, 2, and 3 is here. src, source of this, and instead of path here, it is a name, logo, all the same as before. And now I go to see F12. This is F12. Here it is. You look at src, source of that image file is static media folder, and number 1 dot, we have a React application, add some numero and characters, like some password or some kind of numeration in that special folder, static media, and .jpg. And it means that our media format files incorporate in source map would be path as we see here. But in next video, when I was produced my code, and when I saved picture in public file, here in public file, path would be of that public folder. Thank you for watching this video.